Heyo guys, hi, welcome. I'm playing with Death Skull. You can clearly see that. Death Skull, can you show them your bomber skin? Because we're the bombers. Boom bang the bang bomber. Sweet, bomber squad, let's go into the game. Bam bada boom bam bang. Ayo dudes, we're in a game! We're going... Coral Coliseum, yeah! Dude, I love this glider. Freaking love this glider. I just think this glider's so clean. Besides the opening, if the opening was just like right there, then I would have been fine. But it's kind of distracting to have the spray paint. Oh my gosh, it is. Okay, guys, we'll meet you when something fun actually happens. Bye. Ah! Why can't I build a wall right there? Like right there, you see that, guys? Yeah, right there where you are, I couldn't build a wall. Why would they make it like that? Why can't you build a wall, game? Get my reboot. Get my reboot before you start running away. Yeah, guys. So I met someone and I figured out that you can't build a wall right there. You see where? Try to build a wall right there. Where like, see, you can't build. You have to. You can only build it right there. I tried to build it right there. I failed though. Me not know how to build a wall. Me no. He that school just said that's what the title should be. Me know how to build a wall. Me know how. Dude, English. Yeah, that English boys would be like French. Sorry guys. Me French. Bonjour. He just said I make funny noises. Interesting. That's the guy that killed me! Dude, you're so cracked. Chill. I can't believe I died by this guy. Okay, can you please reboot me now? Bowdy bop bop bop. Okay, guys, so this is Death Skull's second game, and this is my first game, so we're both trash. Chill. I'm not duty. I'm better than him, by the way. When I'm not on PC. I am. I am totally way better. Dude, my aim is so trash. Why am I not aiming? Cracked? Heading for 21. I see someone. Coming. Bam. Bop. Do you have ammo for my shotty? Can I have this rapid or do you want it? Okay. I'm good. Okay. We'll see you when something interesting happens. Hello guys, we found somebody. Oh, frick! Oh my god. Ayo, so it didn't work out. Try next game. Let's see ya. There.